for once
you can
say the
truth.
truth.
It's
obvious you want to take his property.
Tell the word.
It's obvious you and wife one along.
It's obvious how to take his property. But you notice his briefcase and other things are
of course, because I saw it in your hand.
You saw it in my hand.
Yes, I saw it in your hand.
But briefcase, tó bá bí ẹja, tó bá mọ̀ pé Joyce Ekale lórúkọ, let me see you in that hospital. She said no one to herself. If I see you there, one wife and like, whoa, you will your mouth not going to fit up to your eye.
I don't need to be in that hospital.
I don't even need food you cannot bring.
Everything that you've been doing that you could not be able to post online, I'll be the one to expose you. What did you came home to come and do the other day?
Why would you be asking me that question?
Why would I ask you the question? You left the hospital where everybody is. You came home on your own. What you came here to do?
Sure, you have been crying since. Continue crying. I camera like that.
Really, I should continue crying.
Yes, continue crying. Continue crying.
You cannot answer the question.
Somebody is in the hospital. They are here asking me stupid questions.
Oh, no, no, because the person in the hospital.
Shonama.
It's now she knows that somebody is in the hospital.
Why let him shake on top?
She left everybody that is in the hospital, came home, took his car key and his briefcase. Where were you going to when you know you don't know how to drive? So this is your plan with you and wife, Yoba?
Why are you concerned that the briefcase is missing in this house?
You
came to this house as the first time or wherever you are saying you are. As it's not saying that it be legal. Why did you come to this house? Why are you looking for a briefcase?
I am not looking for briefcase.
Why are you there? Why are you taking briefcase?
You could have come and cook food. You did not come and cook any food. Yes, you did not cook any food. I came back home because she said she want to come and cook food. That was her plan.
Shadi says the husband. Why
no, she said at the hospital she wants to come and cook food. She wasted time and I had to come home on my own to come and cook food. And the next thing I saw was she was carrying
your husband, like you said. And those whatever that are supporting is your husband. But you cannot cook and take it. I mean, you are not slave.
You said
no, we are doing
no.
The same Mary that both of you are talking to any house. The same Mary you guys insult. I'm the one doing everything.
Maybe you claim you love somebody.
Would you shut up? Did you not claim that you love him too? Did you not claim it? And now you're telling me trash and you're trying to stand in front of me.
You claim you love somebody.
Are you normal? If
I'm normal, answer the question. Why did you come home to carry his key?
Answer the question. Where have you been for the past 2-3 days?
I went to church and it's only one day.
Show evidence of that church.
I went to church.
Show evidence of that
evidence. I went to church.
Don't bring out an evidence of a whole church. Show the evidence. You say somebody is not feeling fine and you left him. You went to the church for 3 good days. Nobody's talking about church.
3 days. When did you come and carry that? When did you come and record?
When did you come and record?
Now look, you see this girl. When did you come and record? When did you come and record?
When you said you saw him as a lifeless person.
Mary, why is it that you cannot say the truth? Why is it that you cannot say the truth? I did not say anything with them. Mary, you did not break your head.
Okay. If I come out to take and break your head.
I did not say anything with them.
This is the same place he was standing. Is this not the same place?
What happened?
So I was not strong. And you left him.
Oh, you know he was not strong. I should not take care of it. You know he was not strong. I did not take care of it.
He's in a hospital.
Look at the hospital.
He's in a park.
Yes, of course, he's in a park hospital.
He's in a park.
Look at the kind of hospital. You know he's which one
have you taken?
Because I know that he was. I called his doctor.
Why have you prepared food?
If I prepared food for him, I called his doctor that he should come and take care of him. He should come and treat him. At the end of the day, I look for all the hospitals. Why not break it on me? Break it on me. Do it now. Do it. This guy knows the hospital. She knows the doctor. You left everywhere. Even if you don't want to carry out the hospital, you now went to took him to a hospital. Even I cannot breathe. What happened to this? Someone that can breathe. What happened to this?
You are in this house.
Yes.
Let's assume I was the one that left. If he collapsed in your presence, who are you going to call first?
If he collapsed in my presence, I'll call his parents.
His parents.
But you left his parents.
I left the doctor.
You left his parents.
His wife was
you left his parents. I will inform the parents. I will make a video and inform the parents before I call the doctor. Before I call the doctor. No. I can even take. Victor is in this house. Victor is in this house. Why is it I did not take Victor along?
Victor is in this house.
Victor is my child. You have to carry him. You can carry him to the car. And even if you cannot drive, he can drive.
I know say you sabi shout. Victor is in this house, but you said you knew he was sick. You said you were going to call his doctor first thing the next day. And what did you do? You went to church without calling him.
Who told you I did not call the doctor?
If you called the doctor,
in his presence, I took the doctor's number.
In his
presence, I took the doctor's number. You will insult me. You will insult me. But you cannot take action. The action you want to take, you took him to a park hospital. A park project hospital. It's fine.
You said you were going to call the first thing the next day. And the next thing you went to church. You did not call anybody. Nobody came to this house. But you went to the hospital. On the phone, double.
Why were you hiding?
Who are you that will hide from me?
Why were you
So
hiding?
why you first? I should ask for
Even if you are not calling me first, you people have stayed in that hospital for hours. You people have stayed in that hospital for hours. Why did I did not call you?
For hours.
You did not call me. Is it my father's hospital? But you could have my husband. It's my husband. It's my husband. It's my husband. But you left everybody. You want to call wife. You left everybody and call wife.
Why do you not take him to church? Let them pray for you.
I didn't take him to church and pray for him. Of course, I'm doing my prayer. Shebi now you
I
am the prophetess and I will pray for him. I will pray for him.
Why you not carry and go church when they pray for him? Make them come out this way anybody.
The sickness was not critical like this.
It's not
The sickness was not critical. The sickness was not critical. I left him. This guy was breathing. What happened? Why is he using oxygen? What led to it? You are the same person that said his stomach was biting. What substance do you give him?
God, your papa got some question.
What substance do you
Go and
give?
ask your
Can
father.
you see? You
I
know, answer questions I'm asking.
to show him he was already lifeless.
You didn't.
Why don't you follow? When
You left all this. You left all this while you have been in your own in this room, and I did not say anything. Just because of you were
How
in the
many
room.
minutes?
How many minutes for what? No, no, you don't tell me this house. You don't tell me why did I leave this house to go to church?
When? I'm not asking you why. When?
I left on Friday night. And Friday night is night vigil. I was on my way coming home on Saturday, and the next thing I could do is somebody called me that my husband and Mary and wise one carried my husband to a quack hospital, lifeless. And you want me to calm down?
You went to the church
Yes.
Friday night. You came back Saturday.
Yes.
Somebody that was outside for 3 days. Friday and Saturday. How is
it 3 days?
This girl, I beg. See, I don't want.
No, answer question now. How is it 3 days?
If I decide to disturb you,
The same thing you use your mouth to swear. The same way you carry slippers, you swear. The time you told the word that I'm going to deal with him.
I will deal
and
with
it's all you want to deal with.
you.
A threat, oh. A threat, oh. A threat, oh. The same person that I will not give birth.
You are
A
very
threat, oh. The same thing that I will not give birth in my life.
You are saying they are calling up and down. Olóṣìlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú work pẹ̀lú doctor olóṣèlú ìbú.
Maybe for once, say the truth.
Which stupid truth?
Maybe for once,
you can
say
say
the truth. It's
It's
obvious you want to take his
Tell
property.
the word you
It's obvious you and wife on a long
It's
plan
not just how to
already.
take his property.
Una don
But
plan
you
am.
notice his briefcase and all that things are
Of course, because I saw it in your hand.
You saw it in my hand.
Yes, I saw it in your hand. I saw it in her hand. I was on my way and I opened the door and it was with that.
You are a damn liar.
Mary, for once, say the truth.
Which truth?
Say the truth for once. I saw it. I caught her.
Make sure you are truthful. You caught who? Okay, you say you got me. Then why were you asking me the question?
I caught Mary with
Yes, you said Mary. Where the briefcase I saw you?
Where are you
What
taking
person you were
the
asking me? Where?
No, I saw it with Mary and I asked her, where are you going to with it? Now what I said, I saw you with it. I asked, well, Jesus.
See, that's when they die online. You asked me for briefcase. Okay.
The only thing I did was not to video it
yes,
because I was not on my phone.
Yeah,
Imagine the kind of condition I had.
See, tó bá bí ẹ̀dá, tó bá mọ̀ pé Joyce carry lórúkọ, let me see you now. She said no to herself. If I see you there, one wife I like, whoa, you will read. Whoa, your mouth not going to fit up with your eyes.
I don't need to be in that hospital. I don't even need
food you cannot bring. Nothing you cannot do. Prayer you did not pray. You only kept.
And you know why
it's when I took you there. Why did you not sit on social media?
You are a case.
You carry person sickness.
You are a case.
Who know why you never wake up?
But I don't need to be in that hospital because I plan out to move out of that hospital. So don't expect me to pay bills because you guys want me to pay bills in that hospital. That quack Rachel hospital, imagine hospital. So I don't need to be there because I'm trying to move him out from that hospital. I am trying to move him out from the hospital. Take him to his own family hospital, his doctor hospital. Where there is a good equipment, a good place for him to be able to treat him well. And then I will
have the doctor's number. Call him, tell him that says come and pick him up.
Maybe
from his issue,
that one,
emergency bus to come and pick him up. If I don't sit down to emergency bus, nobody's moving me out of anywhere.
No, it's obvious now. You live in a hospital that you want to finish in there. See that I've been in that hospital. I never see doctor.
That doctor will not deprive him of going to his family doctor.
I never see doctor. Since I've been in that hospital, I never see doctor.
You get doctor number.
No, doctor when you carry and go, I never see him. Still then I don't know what is wrong with my own husband. They carry and go hospital.
Not be me go hospital. Go ask for financial help. Ask them if they carry him. So all of them they come and carry him. If I don't see any doctor, I don't see any boss. Nobody's moving him. Anyway, it's not moving an inch.
So that he's going to want to finish him there.
Madam, I only said
she's deprived me of not coming to that hospital for that.
She doesn't know his doctor. Call them to come and pick him up.
Of course I will call them. Of course I will call them.
They should use their boss.
Of course I will. And you will see
not their boss.
You will see.
Not the doctor. I'm not the.
You will see. This hospital. Put only wives, so that when I call, people will say that who am I, and they will not allow me to enter inside hospital, so that you and wives all can connive and do the rubbish you people want to do. But thank God people recognize me there. Your plan will not work. Yes, they recognize me, and that's why they let me in. Okay.
Level him.
Then you.
I
still get them.
You cannot enter when I'm not there.
You cannot enter
when I'm not there. Says who? If I'm there, says who? Enter. They don't say they don't do my husband.
Says who?
So you enter.
Even doctor say I don't see him.
Which doctor?
I don't see doctor.
Imagine hospital. Bring your doctor. Imagine your pikin. Bring your doctor. Look at your pikin. Bring your doctor.
Give people
bring your doctor that went to remove your child.
The same lady that will never give birth again. The same lady that threatened me.
Maybe you go miss today. You say you go miss.
No worry.
Bring your doctor.
No worry. I will shock you. I will remove him away from that hospital.
Move out.
And your eye will clear. You see that your plan with wife or the two
carry that your doctor.
I will carry him out. I'm not telling you I'm going to carry doctor. You go see soldier will go down. If you misbehave, we will take you away. If you misbehave, okay.
You will explain.
Till then, I will bring soldiers.
You
go know that time. You go know if I get money. By that time you go know if I get money.
At least I
will not rant in vain.
Now that time you go hospital. I cannot do one.
Which hospital? You're never ashamed of yourself. See hospital. See hospital. His own fans are complaining. See hospital. See hospital. You I can't even breathe. I can't even breathe.
Anybody that is a fan there that is telling me that hospital is a quack hospital, they should have been the hospital.
You man, look at the way they look at the oxygen. Look at the oxygen are very small. Look at the oxygen are very small.
See what somebody.
A whole celebrity that if you want to shoot somebody that does not know, you need to take them to the hospital that is well reserved. And you a graduate.
Oh, law school.
Where
have
you seen a normal hospital? A normal well hospital.
When they are teaching you, the blessing are back to this.
Normal hospital, you won't go normal. They won't give you proper treatment. See the thing where they use. See the kind of oxygen they're using. See the kind of oxygen they're using for him.
Let me ask you a question.
Ask me, because you've always been asking me sensible questions.
I'm used to asking. If your mother collapse, what is the first thing you do?
She's my mother. I will take her to the hospital.
No, you go look the design of the hospital.
This hospital. Do you know the worst thing? My husband's doctor hospital is very close, though. It's very close, though. This girl took me to the hospital that if you know the location of that hospital, even me before I traced the hospital, it was hard. You took him to your hospital that's also bush at the corner.
The same close hospital now I'm blocked on now with the way you want to go and number. That one is closed.
The same hospital. If you don't close, how you can use your leg go block us from there? How you can use your leg go block us from there? They know they follow person. So that's okay. I said it was closed, oh. It was closed and she had to use her leg to follow me. If it was that your quack, can you be able to block me? Because hospital is too far. I cannot even pray for my enemy to be that kind of hospital, Mary.
Thank you.
Mary, I cannot pray for my enemy.
My husband is surviving already.
Surviving? Someone that cannot talk. Someone that even the talk self is not clear. If it is doctor, by now this guy will not come back out. By now this guy will not. He will wake up, of course. That is when I move him to another hospital.
That's not your prayer.
He will wake up when I move
you
him to
left
another
this house
because that hospital is not helping me.
Happen. Me, I'm not even here for you. The only thing I came to take my own instance. I want to go and pay bill. If that thing won't, you can't pay anything. Food, nothing you cannot buy. All you have to do, you come out. You are claiming your husband, but you left him in the hospital. You are in the house doing video uploading online.
They are
coming to the house to look for a briefcase. As what? Security. She want to look for. Continue looking.
But you wait to carry yourself from another door. Carry yourself come here. You tell me say if you are telling me if I have paid for hospital bill, you think I will waste my fucking time? You think I will waste my money on that kind of hospital? I will waste my money on my food on that kind of hospital because I'm trying to move him out of that hospital. So I will not waste my money. Now you the waste hospital because I will not be people I will not get for this. So waste your money. Me too, I reject you in my life. I reject you too. Come and pay. I should come and pay in a wretched hospital. Me joy. Because I'm trying to move him out of the hospital. Waste your money because you know on a plan. You can't have to come off my front. Rubbish.